We need to get into this project and see what is going on, which leads me to our first Linux command. It's called ls. L and S. So it means list. It's basically what this does is that it shows you your present working directory, where you are right now, all the files, all the folders that are in that directory. It just means lists. So if I do ls list, you see that if I do ls here, list. This is very important, especially when you have a lot of files you want to go through and find a specific file, or you just want to see the environment where you're working in, what files are there. So that's list number one command. The number two command is called pwd. Yes, pwd is called present working directory. So if you do pwd, it shows you the exact folder where you are. Do you get me? What it means is, let's say, for example, if I'm going to use my GUI now, and I go to, let's say I go to my desktop. Do you get me? So in the terminal, what you're saying is, where am I currently in this computer? Present working directory. In this case, I'm in desktop. If I go back and I click on pictures, in this case, I'm in pictures. If I come here, click on music, in this case, I'm in music. So how do we now do all of this in a terminal environment where you don't have a GUI? A GUI basically means graphical user interface, things where you click, all of this. In this kind of environment, how do we do that? So we say present working directory, it tells you you're in HPO, that's the folder where you are. If I come here and I do present working directory in my remote computer, it tells me, okay, dude, you're in home/Ubuntu. Ubuntu is the folder where you are. That's your present working directory. Do you get that? All right. In this scenario here, there are many folders, okay? And the current directory where I have is called HP. And then when I ls HP, meaning I list what's inside of HP, let's do that again. Ls, all right, list. It shows me all the files here. Now I want to change where I am. I want to change the directory to this Python exercise, which is what we're supposed to work on, all right, not the other ones. I have to now do cd, follow me. I have to do cd Python exercises. Okay, if I click on enter, you see now that this has changed to Python exercise. That's my present working directory. If I do ls again, it shows me all the files that are basically from the repo, games, Tetris, Python, OOP. If I come here, you see the same thing, games, Python, OOP. So I changed the directory where I currently am. If I now want to still change and I want to go into games, okay, I can still say cd games, okay, GAMES. I click on that and we're there. You see the Python games, okay? If I do ls again, I get a folder called Tetris. I can cd into that to cd Tetris. And there you are. So that's one thing about cd, it means change directory. So now if I want to get out of this directory and then go back to games, what I'll do is to say cd ... This dot means going back a directory. So if I do that, I click enter, it takes me back to games. You see, it has changed from games directory to just games. If I do present working directory, pwd, it shows you that I'm in HP, Python exercise, and games. Okay. If I want to go back again, I can say cd ... enter, and it takes me back to Python exercises. If I do present working directory, you see where we are. This is sweet. It's good to know. So let's go back again. There's ls. So we see we're back to this present working directory. We're back to HP. All right. I'm going to show you one shortcut using the tab. So there are many files here. If I want to go to, let's say, saved games, if I do cd s e and I press tab again, it gives me that option of, you don't have to finish typing the entire thing. All right. When you press tab, I can easily help you complete your sentence. That's what this computer is saying. Do you understand? So let's do cd sen. If I do tab now, it completes it. It shows me that I have two options to get to, but as soon as I put n, the next letter is n, it goes to send to. Okay. It kind of like just completes your sentence. If we do that is in. Let's go back and try it again. CD, remember it's case sensitive. So CD back. So that's that with CD. It means change directory. I said I was going to work with my my cloud shell. Yeah.